Now, the general structure of a research article. So I have already discussed the what is research article and the types of research articles. Now I will discuss about the structure of a research article. It is very important things. So this is the general structure of a research article. This is the section. Basically, a research article has a title, then authors list, then abstract, then keywords. Some journals keywords and some journals have no keywords. Then introduction, methods, results, discussion, acknowledgements, references, and then appendices. Some journal, but not all journals. There are many different types of journals. So basic structure of a research article is this section is the basic structure. The title is clearly describes contents and authors ensures its recognition for the writer. Abstract describes what was done. Keywords ensures the article is correctly identified in abstracting and indexing services. And introduction is explains the problem. Methods explains how the data were collected. Results describes what was discovered. Discussion discusses the implications of the findings. Acknowledgements ensures those who helped in the research are recognized. And references ensures previously published work is recognized. And then appendices provide supplementary data for the expert reader. So before you start writing your research work, don't panic. So before you start your writing, think about why you want to publish your work. First, you need to think, is it new and interesting? Is it a current hot topic? Have you provided solutions to some difficult problems? Are you ready to publish at this point? If all answers are yes, then start preparation for your manuscript. What type of manuscript? So I already said different types of the manuscript or different types of the article. So basic article, basically a maximum researcher have published the full length or full articles or original articles they have published. So full article or original article, the most important papers, often substantial and significant completed pieces of research. Then letters or rapid communication or short communications, quick and early communication of significant and original advances, much shorter than full article. Check the limitations because some journals have given their limitations. The counting words or counting section, they have some limitations. So you should check how the limitations, what the limitation and how can make the limitation, make the short communication and rapid communications. Then the review papers or perspectives summarize recent developments on a specific topic, highlight important previously reported points, not the place to introduce new information, often invited. Ask your supervisor and your colleagues for advice on manuscript type. Sometimes outsiders can see things more clearly than you. So you must discuss with supervisor or your co-authors or with your groups, so you can get some suggestions from them. And you can discuss with your experts, some experts who have some knowledge about the research paper and they have knowledge about the how the paper make the paper and how the papers submit in a specific journal. So it is the summaries, the general structure of research article. Just I have summarized the title, abstract, keywords, literature survey, introductions, proposal and methods, then merits and or demerits, results, discussion, then conclusion, then future work, optional, and references.